Hello everyone, my name is Angelo, and in today's video, I will show you guys on how to create a Kakaotalk account. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to the App Store. So open up the App Store, go to the search bar right here, and then just search up for Kakaotalk. Then after that, just click on the Kakaotalk app, and then just click on Get, and then just wait for Kakaotalk to install. And then once it's done, just open it up, just allow these, and then once you open up the app, it will now ask you to create an account. So in creating an account, what you can do is to enter your email or your phone number, and just by simply adding a password. So I will do that right now. And then once you're done inputting your details, just click on sign up. After that, it will ask you to agree to all the terms of services. So just click on the check mark right here that says I agree to all terms, and then after that, just click on agree and continue. And then once you're done, it will ask you for your phone number, so just input your phone number. And then make sure that the region you are choosing is the country in which where you are from. And then once you're done inputting your phone number, just click on OK, click on OK again, and then it will now try to send a verification message to your phone number. So just click on send verification message, and then just click on send. So it will open up your messages app. So just click on send right there, and then click on check verification. So it says right here, the verification is still in progress. So what you want to do is just wait until you have received the verification message. And then once you receive the verification code, you can now click on check verification. And then after that, your account will be made in Kakaotalk. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create an account in Kakaotalk. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe.